Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto and need to move your USDT from Coinbase to an external wallet, this full guide for 2025 has got you covered. Whether you're looking to secure your assets or trade on another platform, transferring USDT is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, sign up and verify your identity. It's crucial for security. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and select USDT from your list of assets. This will take you to the USDT dashboard. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details for your external wallet. This is where you input the wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Make sure to select the correct network for USDT, like ERC20 if you're using Ethereum, as mismatches can lead to lost funds. Now, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Coinbase will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not sending more than planned. Review all the information carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed. One important tip: always verify the wallet address by copying and pasting it directly, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any new Coinbase policies. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer USDT from Coinbase to your external wallet. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.